to record for you a very short summary video of our Improvers Solo Slow Waltz practice routine number 3. This was taught across 2 classes, one on the 2nd of May and the second one on the 27th of June 2022. So if you're in my website and you're seeing this, go to the video library page for Improvers classes and you can find the full classes across those 2 dates. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then there is a link underneath below and you can head on to my video library and take a little look at what I have to offer. Let's make a little start. I was actually doing this mainly on the ladies' steps, okay? So I didn't really interchange this routine to do a few on the gents and a few on the ladies. Quite often I mix the 2, but we preferred on this one just to stick to some ladies' steps. So I did a box step, starting with my right foot back and my left foot forwards. Or 2 closed changes, as it would be known in international. And I said we could do that for 4 bars, so 2 pairs, and we could rotate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you could put as much or as little rotation in as you wish. You could also, when you're practicing on your own, do a few more bars just to have a little warm up. So essentially just put in some closed changes at the beginning. Now, the whisk and wing, ladies timing, whisk, walking around for the wing, a little quarter turn, curving it round, and then we did a weave on 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was then facing the back of my room and I did a spin turn and I made myself look to the front, to where the curtains are. Spin turn, and then a left foot corner check, right foot ronde, left foot forward to a reverse corte, which for the ladies is more or less actually a left foot forwards closed change, and it's just slightly under rotated because the gentleman is doing a settle-in step. So the ladies don't really notice the difference on the footwork so much there, it's more the guys' footwork that we see a difference in. Okay, to here, and then right foot back, 1 closed change, and then I went from a weaving waltz timing, little check first, 6 steps, and then I did a left foot ronde to face the front. So I've borrowed a couple of little bits from our American smooth slow waltz, and then there's the international in there. Now that was very fast, so let me go over it all again. Okay, 4 bars for the box step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whisk and wing. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 steps for a weave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right foot for the spin turn. 1, 2, and 3. Left foot corner check. 1, 2, 3. Right foot ronde. 1, 2, 3. Left foot reverse corte. 1, 2, 3. Right foot close change back. 1, 2, 3. A left foot little check to start the waltzing weave timing, the weaving waltz timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 2 bars of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a left foot ronde. Heel down, bend in, sweep the leg, and I like to use those because it gives us an opportunity to create some balancing options there and to strengthen those ankles. So, like I said, short routine, have a little practice of that. That was our Improvers Solo practice routine number 3 in the class on the 27th of June. We spent the last 10-15 minutes doing it with music. As you know, we have an issue putting music on our videos with YouTube, so it's best to be safe and just to do these videos without music. Hope you've enjoyed this. Do keep looking into the playlist, and if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and then you'll see every week when I'm uploading the new videos. And if you're in my video paid library, then thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.